fix it down again. Got this old Murray mower. I was just replacing this spindle, which is making a slight noise, as you can imagine. I knew it was on its way out. I just wanted to get one more mower out of it. I've got a new one here. But yeah, when I got underneath to pull the blade off, this, oh, it's pretty bad. I've patched it up everywhere. But yeah, it's gonna break in half. It's pretty much cracked right through there. It's cracked through here, there, this thing, around there, lifted out. So I'm gonna patch it up. Nothing flashed, just keep it on the road basically. So we'll go through that and I'll show you as we go. Scruffy the dog. Alright, you can see how bad this is. Look at that. Massive hole there. Look at these. Look at these cracks run through here and through here. Cracks. That's that whole centre missing. It's that bracket that's pulled through. See a gap there. So what I'm going to do is bend it around a bit. See that's low there. So I'm going to bend them back into shape, put some tacks, bend all that back up as best I can. A couple of tack welds just to hold it into place, and then I'll make up some plates. It's not going to be anything pretty, it's just going to be straight over the top just to keep it running. Replace that centerpiece, bit there, chunk there, welded up some cracks. Welding's really bad, don't have a look. My white, I'm using gasless MIG. As you can see, if you can focus on that, it's the whole roll's gone rusty. And it's just blowing holes, and plus it's gal onto mild steel. And yeah, but anyway, it's strong, it's penetrated through the other side. It'll be fine. There's the other side. So I'll run some welds along the edge of that bracket. A few just tacks around the edge there. Yeah, looks atrocious. I might put a plate over this crack, even though it's got a plate under there. Or I might not. Righto, so I just put some kill rust stuff on there. And you see the back of the plates. There's that one. Oh, that's on top. That big one holding the whole centre together. It's just got a couple of tacks on this side. The other one you can't see from underneath. But yeah, wait that kill rust dry and flip it over. Do the other side, and then I found some black epoxy kill rust paint. Just going to slap a bit of that on, and that'll do it. There you go, it's got a good coat of epoxy rust stuff, and then I put some sealer, paintable urethane thing, just over those back of the plates, just so crap doesn't get in there. And a few little splits and holes. And yeah, I'll put a bit more paint over that. When that dries, put that spigot back in, and we'll give her a run. There's the chickens, Scruffy the dog. Righto, it's all painted. I'll just put a bit of sealer over a couple of little spots that crap can build up in. Not even going to bother painting, waste of time painting the bottom probably. It'll get blasted with stuff, but yeah, so I've got that new one on, sharpen the blades a little bit. Yeah, it's ready to go. The underside, look at that. It's $1 million. It's all solid anyway under there. At least it's all one piece, won't snap in half. Once it's bolted under there, you'll hardly notice. But as long as it does the job. Alright, I'll get it bolted in. There we go, all bolted back in. It's actually so easy. It just comes out that front pin through there. You leave that bar on, and then that bar that goes up there, it's just a pin, and there's another one that goes up there, it's just a pin. I couldn't get that pin out, so I just undone it from there. that's broken, that handle. But I'll show you how to quickly adjust these decks so they're pretty good. Just drop that down. Oh, loosen those big nuts off. Drop it down till it sits flat. Now you want to be on flat ground. And then see how that's sitting halfway through there? Oh, hang on. Yeah. Just do that up. Now I haven't got quite flat ground, but when I get it around on the concrete I'll recheck it, but it'll be pretty close. So yeah, just do both those sides up. It should be pretty even. The problem I've always had is this side's missing a bit, so I actually put my fingers under and I feel where the blade is, and I get the same distance from the blade to blade, because this outer deck's been screwed so many times. So yeah, and that's it. Do up that one, but yeah, I'll check the blades first, get it closer. Yeah, beautiful. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, help me out, it'd be good. I'll see you on the next project.